banana?
It's big.
It's big.
It's tiny.
It's tiny.
It's tiny.
It's a banana.
Banana. Banana.
Is that pretty delicious?
It's
Delicious.
Daddy.
Yeah.
It's
It is delicious. It is delicious.
It's good.
It is good.
It's banana. It's good banana. It's good banana.
You have to send this to Manna Nichols.
I know. What is that? Is that lettuce?
Yes. It's good lettuce.
Good lettuce.
It's good. Yes. Where's banana?
What did you do with that banana?
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Let's think.
In there? No.
You retrace your steps? What did you do before?
Banana.
Where-
What I do? Banana, what I do? Banana, what I do? Where's banana?
Where were you at? What were you doing?
Where's banana?
What other pieces of furniture were you at?
Where's banana?
Where is that banana?
Where'd it go?
Where did it go? Where's that banana? Do you see the banana on the chair?
It is.
There it is. You found it.
I found it. A big wet. A baby wet. A baby wet.
The baby what?
A baby wet.
The baby is wet. Oh, because of the banana? Okay, there you go. Are y'all dry?
Okay.
Okay. Hi, sweet girl.
Where's Daddy?
He's still packing up the car.
Where?
He had to move your bed from his car to my car. From the brown car to the red car.
A red car.
Mm-hmm.
A red car.
Yep.
A red car.
Yep.
A red car.
The red car.
A red car.
Yeah, the red car outside.
A red car. Why do one?
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
The white one.
We're gonna ride the red car.
I want a red.
Yeah, we're gonna ride the red car.
A red. The white.
Mm-hmm.
The white.
Yeah, we're gonna ride in the red car.
Okay. A heart. Mama, what?
Yeah.
Heart.
There's a heart up there.
I got it.
You got it.